Hello students, welcome to all in another video of English classes of class 6. Students, in this video we are going to study about the beautiful poetry which is written by Sarojini Naidu. Students, the name of the poetry is In the Bazaars of Hyderabad. This poetry is taken from your course book, so listen carefully. Students, first of all we will know about Sarojini Naidu. Who was Sarojini Naidu? So Sarojini Naidu was an Indian freedom fighter. She was a socialist. She was a socialist. She was a poet, writer. Okay, and she was born in 1879 and she died in 1949. Students, Sarojini Naidu wrote this poetry, especially she had an experience about the bazaars of Hyderabad. Okay, students, in her life, Sarojini Naidu wrote a lyrical poetry, a collection of poetry, and the name of the collection of poetry is The Nightingale of India. Okay, so remember this. She wrote a collection of poetry and the name of the poetry of a collection is The Nightingale of India. Okay, students, so the poetry is already in front of you in your book, and you can also open this poetry, and I'm going to explain this poetry. Okay, students, In the Bazaars of Hyderabad. This poetry is an experience of Sarojini Naidu. One day Sarojini Naidu goes to visit the many shops where in Hyderabad, okay, in Hyderabad city, and she finds that there are many shopkeepers in that bazaar, in that market, and she had an experience about the shopkeepers. And what does she see in the market? She has explained in this poetry. Okay, students, so open your book and listen the explanation of this poetry. Okay, students, first paragraph is, what do you sell, O a merchants? Students, in this poetry, Sarojini Naidu tells about 9 shopkeepers. 9 shopkeepers. Okay, she goes to 9 shopkeepers and she shares us how does she feel after going the market. Okay, so first of all she goes to a merchant and asks, what do you sell, O a merchants? Richly your wares are displayed, turbans of crimson and silver. And first of all Sarojini Naidu goes to a merchant, and after that she asks, O a merchant. Merchant means a person who sells the things, Vyapari. So she goes to a merchant and asks about, there are many things in your shop, just like turbans, and especially that thing is a red color, and tunics of purple brocade, and tunic means dhoti kurta, and the color of the tunics is a silver. So, O a merchant, tell me what do you sell the things in your shop. Okay, in second number, daggers with handles of jade. When she goes to in the same market, in same shop, and she especially sees there are so many mirrors in that shop, and that shop has a full of things, and the color of the mirror is amber. Amber means just like the red color, bloody color. Okay, daggers means hota hai students khanjar. Next paragraph, she goes to in another shop. What do you weigh, O a vendors? Saffron and lentil and rice. And after that she goes to another shopkeepers, and she asks to a vendors. Vendor means a person who sells the things, and she knows there are saffron केसर को कहते हैं, lentil मसूर, pulse को कहते हैं, rice means चावल, and she knows there are saffron, lentil and rice in that shop. Next, she goes to a maiden. Maiden means a woman, a girl, and she asks, what do you grind? Oh, a maidens, sandalwood, henna, and spice. And after that, she knows in that shop there are sandalwood means chandan, henna means mehendi, and spice means masala. And the maidens was selling the sandalwood, henna, and spice. And Sarojini Naidu asked the vendors. Next, what do you call OA peddlers, chessmen, and ivory dice? Next, she goes to in another shop, and after that, she asks to the peddlers, and she knows there are chessmen and ivory dice. It's a name of game. It's a name of a game by which we can play the game. So in that shop, there are chessmen and ivory dice. Next, what do you make OA goldsmiths? And after that, the students, Sarojini Naidu goes to in the shop of goldsmith. Goldsmith means a person who makes different types of jewels, different types of jewelry. So goldsmith Sonar. So she goes to a goldsmith and she asked, do you make wristlet and kangan and anklet, payal and ring, angti? And she asked, and Sarojini Naidu asked to that goldsmith, ki you you make the wristlet, anklet and ring, bells for the feet of the blue pigeons, frail as a dragonfly's wing. Or you say, do you make the bells for the especially for the blue pigeons? Or बताओ कि dragonfly and just like a wing you can make. Okay, girdles of gold for the dancers, or you make the girdles means एक ring की तरह होता है in a especially this is used in a vest, कमर में पहनी जाती है. So Sarojini Naidu asked that goldsmith कि do you make the girdles for the dancers, scabbards of gold for the king? And lastly she asked to the goldsmiths, you make the scabbards for the specially तलवार के लिए इस्तेमाल की जाती है मयान. स्केवर्ड्स मीन्स होता है मयान, वेयर द जो वस्तु तलवार में क्या की तलवार को मयान में रखी जाती है. सो सी आस्क्ड अबाउट द स्केवर्ड्स टू द goldsmiths. Next paragraph. What do you cry, oh a fruit man? Students, you know the fruit men always cry in the market. They always cry in the market. So she goes to a fruit man, ask citron, pomegranate and plum. And you say, do you sell the pomegranate, plum, citron? What do you sell? Next she goes to a musician and she asked, what do you play? Oh musicians, tell me, what do you play? Sitar, sarangi and drum. What do you play? Next she goes to a magician and she asks, what do you chant? And chant means क्या होता है? अलापना, यानी गीतों को क्या करना, शुरू में बांधना. यानी she asked to a magician कि do you chant many songs, especially spells for the years to come? And you want to tell about the ages that has been passed. Okay. What do you weave, oh a flower girls? Lastly, she goes to flower girls. Flower girls means just the girls who make the different types of garlands, beads with the help of flowers. She goes to a flower girls and asks, what do you weave? With tassels of azure and red. And you weave the flowers in different colors. Azure means blue, red, tassels. Crowns for the brow of a bridegroom. And do you make a flower garland for the especially for the bridegroom? And दूल्हे के लिए तुम केवल only you make the garland, फूलों की हार बनाती हो. Chaplets to garland is bed, especially करके you make the garland for to scatter the flowers on the bed. And lastly, she asked, seeds of the white blossoms new gathered to perfume the sleep of the dead. Lastly, she asked about that, students. In this last line, the poet, yani the Sarojini Naidu wants to see about that flowers are used for the dead person or alive persons. And she says lastly, the flowers are used for the happiness or sorrow. So at last this poem ends, and after that Sarojini Naidu wants to say, in the bazaars of Hyderabad there are many shopkeepers and there are many different types of things in that the shop. So she had an experience related to the bazaars of Hyderabad. Okay, students. So in this poetry, we can see there are different types of things in different bazaars. Okay, thank you everyone, and we will meet again in next video. Thank you.